India has dispatched second battery of its BrahMos supersonic cruise missile to Philippines via sea route. The deal includes delivery of 3 complete BrahMos missile batteries, along with associated launchers, command and control systems. Ukrainian forces has used an anti-aircraft FPV drone to target Russian reconnaissance strike drone. According to Ukrainian military sources, the attempted intercept took place at approximately 4,000 meters, targeting a Russian remotely piloted aircraft system. Ukrainian journalist Yuri Butusov released intercepted video footage showing North Korean M1991 multiple rocket launcher inside a Russian military hangar. The vehicle appeared to be undergoing modifications, including installation of protective screens to counter Ukrainian FPV drone attacks. Japan has publicly showcased a close-up of its ship-mounted electromagnetic railgun for the first time. Officials say the railgun has potential to engage air, sea and land threats with speed and accuracy, while reducing the logistical burden of conventional munitions.